Chopin loves to go for a walk. So do I. So it's win-win. We get to walk together. So we do this about every day. I love walking. I usually go for a walk by myself at a faster pace. And then Chopin gets his own personal walk where we get to go mostly at his pace. And he enjoys being in this park, which has a beautiful path all the way around, like a pond, not really a lake. We'll see more of it from the other side because the sun will be shining back. Sniff everything. He loves to sniff. There you can get a good view of it. Right now there's lots of lilies and other vegetation sitting on top of the water. Sometimes they bring this kind of boat out there that vacuums and sucks it all up. Testing what this is going to look like shining into the... Here we go. Now they're getting excited because they see Chopin. Now we're gonna have us a chat, see how this shows. So thank you for watching this, for liking, and for subscribing. This, as I said at the beginning, is the first video with this new birthday present from my family, this GoPro. Chopin, what do you think? Are you happy to be filmed with a GoPro? Do you think you're gonna get more airtime this way? He's hoping he's going to be on there. So I'm just kind of following this and seeing what's going to go on, and I'm path will be over on that side and be able to take shots back this way. What are you doing today? Is this relaxing time? Is it nighttime where you are? Is it the morning? Is it your off day? What do you see? Huh? You need water? We'll get some more. Okay. Here they should be. Oh, hello. How are you? Chopin, look at the squirrel. Hi. Usually there's a lot of ducks right here on the babies, but wrong time of the day. Well, there's some sitting there. Hi. Hey. Hi. Oh, a friend.
How old is your dog?
He is 8 years old.
Oh.
Yeah, he loves all the dogs, and
Pardon?
he loves all the dogs. Loves playing with them, sniffing them, and saying hello. So many nice people. Let's go in here. It's kind of cool. I'm interested. Chopin's going here. It's like a little forest in the forest. What do you think? I think I'm sweating. I think I'm a little hot. Oh. Maybe 7 o'clock or so. But it's really beautiful in here if it picks up. So I hope you're going to have a fabulous week ahead of you.